Welcome to this session on permutations. In this session, we will take a look at questions based on arrangement of letters. Let us take a look at the first question. In how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Bhopal? So, to solve this question, we need to know two things. Number one, the number of letters in the word Bhopal. And number two, the number of places available to arrange. Now, if you count the number of letters in the word Bhopal, there are 6 letters in the word Bhopal, Bhopal, and there are 6 places to arrange these letters. So, we can use both the fundamental principle of counting and we can use the formula of permutation to solve this question. So, let me solve this question by both the methods. On the left hand side, we will see how to solve this question by the fundamental principle of counting. And on the right hand side, we will take a look at how to solve this question by formula. So there are 6 places and we have to arrange the letters Bhopal on these 6 seats. Obviously, in how many ways the first seat can be chosen? The first seat can be allocated to any of the 6 letters. So in 6 ways. In how many ways can the second seat be allocated? Because one letter is occupied now, there will be 5 ways of allocating the second seat. And similarly, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth place can be allocated in 4, 3, 2, and 1 ways respectively. And because all the letters have to occupy, therefore, there will be a multiplication sign between each of these letters and we will get 720 as the answer. Now, by the formula, we all know that the number of ways of arranging r things on n places is given by NPR, which is nothing but factorial n divided by factorial n minus r. So in this case, the value of n we have to arrange at n places, that is, the value of n is 6 and even the value of r is 6. So number of arrangements will be 6 p6, which is equal to factorial 6 upon factorial 0, which must be equal to 720. Next, let us look at another simple question. In how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Bhopal so that every word starts with B? Once again, we can solve this question by 2 methods. One by the formula, which we will solve over here, and the other by the fundamental principle of counting. So once again, we can see that there are 6 places to arrange 6 letters, but the only condition is this particular place is fixed and we cannot arrange anything on this place because B already occupies this place. Because B is fixed, we don't have to arrange B anymore. All we need to arrange is the letters H, O, P, A, L. So there are 5 letters which need to be arranged on these 5 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what happens now? The first seat can be allocated to any of the 5 letters. So we have 5 ways of filling this particular seat. Similarly, once this seat is occupied, we have 4 ways of filling the next seat. And then we have 3, 2, and 1 ways of filling seat number 3, 4, and 5. And because all the seats are required to be filled up, therefore, we have to multiply. And your answer is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120 ways. Now, if you have to solve this question by the formula, you have to recognize that this seat is not available for filling and the letter B is not available. The rest of the 5 seats have 5 letters to arrange. Which are those 5 letters? Those 5 letters are HOPAL. So we know that R things can be arranged at n places in n p r ways, which is nothing but factorial n divided by a factorial of n minus r. And so 5 letters can be arranged at these 5 seats in factorial 5 upon factorial 0, that is 120 ways. So you saw what happens when we fix the placement of one digit in the arrangement of the entire word Bhopal. Let us look at another similar question. In how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Bhopal so that each word starts with BH? Let us start this question. Let us solve this question. Now, for this question, so once again we have 6 places for 6 letters of the word Bhopal, but the first 2 places this time are fixed. So we fix the places B and H. These cannot be filled anymore because these have to be filled by the fixed letters B and H. Now, how many places do you have to fill again? Now we have to fill 4 places. And how many letters are there to fill? We have only 4 letters to fill: O, P, A, and L. So, in how many ways can the first seat be occupied? In 4 ways. The second seat can be occupied in 3 ways. Similarly, the third and fourth seat can be occupied in 2 and 1 ways respectively. And we can have a multiplication sign in between. So, in how many ways can you have these 4 letters occupy these 4 seats? 24 ways to be precise. And once again, if we go by the formula route, in the same question we could have said that there are 4 places to occupy, so n is equal to 4, and there are 4 letters to be arranged, so r is equal to 4. So number of arrangements will be equal to 4p4. So number of arrangements will be equal to 4p4, which is nothing but 24. So with this we come to an end of this particular session of circles. If you wish to watch more videos or if you wish to know more about the topic, please log on to our website pfindia.com. If you want to ask a doubt, please write to us at studentservices@pfindia.com. And if you're watching this video on our website, please use the Ask a Doubt feature. Thank you very much.